Hey, I'm Bob Ryan. This is Globe 10.0. With me today is Kevin Dupont. Kevin, if you want to check out the Red Sox in the American League East, we start at the bottom and work
6.5
up.
at the bottom.
We start at the bottom and work up. We don't start at the top and work down.
I noticed.
All right. We've had pattern established enough that what they are and aren't, and they're not very good this year.
Yeah, 9 weeks usually will do that.
I think so. And so the question is now, and they're trending downward as we speak. So the question is, okay, you get to that famous All-Star break, or you get to that July 31st trading deadline. Are they suddenly thrust in the position of being a seller for the first time in our memory?
Well, okay, fine.
And if so, whom?
Well, okay, but let's say, so that's my question. You identify who you want to deal. If you can do that, and that's not easy, what do you get?
One guy stands out.
What do you get? Okay, who's
one
your guy?
guy's in the dialogue from day one. Youkilis.
Okay. He's fait accompli at this point.
You got Middlebrooks, you got Youkilis in a situation, a spot in his career where you know he could help somebody else, and they got a third baseman, and they got a first baseman.
And somebody else has got to take on a $12 million contract, too.
But there might be a contender that would be willing to do this.
But what's that going to get you? That's going to get you 2 guys from the farm team who's going to help. Is that going to go out and get you? Is that going to get you a top of the order starter?
No.
Come on.
Oh no. It's not going to make you. No. The idea is accept who you are and accept that we got to rebuild
or bridge.
Bridges.
We're bridging. DuPont.
We have a big bridge, though, like the Chesapeake Bay Bridge. We're not talking about the Neponset.
Guess what? This is the team, folks. This is what you got, and this is where it's going to be.
Right. Who else is? Would you agree that they will never off the table? Yeah. Pedroia.
Yeah, I would. Yeah. Although I listened to talk radio yesterday, they were wiping them all out. But Pedroia, you got to keep.
Gonzalez.
Gonzalez, I would consider, but I don't know. 21 million. Are they lining up?
Everybody else has noticed the Gonzalez situation. Ortiz.
Yeah. Well, 44 years old, making $14 million. So what are you going to get for him?
Okay. So the answer is, here's a guy that would get you, somebody might want him, but you wouldn't get much. Aviles. Then you say, and the Jose Iglesias era begins. Yeah. Period.
Here are the hopes.
August 1. Yeah. Mike, you're good. Thank you very much. But you got, all right, Bard. They banter, barter Bard.
Oh, Bard.
Somebody want to say, I like him, somebody that loved him, and maybe they're going to reclaim him?
Yeah. No, you're picking through the dumpster.
You get the point. The point is, there's not much they can do. Youkilis is going to be gone, fine. But other than that, you got to get used to this team. And that's it. They're not going to get much better.